Welcome to the Abundance Meditation. This is a guided meditation to help you attract more wealth and abundance in your life. Financial success starts from inside of your mind. Anything that happens in this real world first manifests in mind. Have you noticed that? For example, if you have a positive money belief and consciousness, you are relatively easy to make, save, manage, and maximize your money. However, if you have negative money belief, you will find it difficult to attract money into your life. That is why this abundance meditation will help you to do that and rewrite your belief and instill the belief of making lots of money. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel so that you get all my upcoming video as they get released. So let's begin. Find a suitable place and sit comfortably and easily, hands resting on your knees, legs nicely placed on the floor. Now let's slowly take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Gently focus on your breath and slowly take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, release whatever thought comes in your mind. Nature has millions of trees and trillions of leaves all around you. It's in abundance. We have billions and trillions liters of water all around us. Billions of sun rays radiating from sun. Sun is shining. There are plenty of knowledge all around you. There are so many videos, the books, and knowledge all around you. You have so many millions of songs all around you. There are 1.25 trillion US dollar money into the circulation, and you are part of all this abundance. You live in abundance universe. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now take a moment to release everything that happens in your life. And everything that follows in your life is a result of your state of consciousness. We live in the world of imagination. Whatever happens in this real world first manifest in mind. Now choose to use your imagination to create a picture in your mind of the kind of life that you want, the prosperity you want, the money that you want, and feel that every image that follow in your mind is part of what you are actually building. See yourself with more and more money. See yourself to invest in anything that you want, whether it's a property, gold, diamond, or any other asset that you like to invest in. See yourself to purchase anything that you want, any luxury holidays, any luxurious palace that you like to buy. See yourself to contribute in anything that you want. Take a moment to visualize. Imagine whatever you want. Visualize it. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Anything that you visualize was then moved to form into your life. Take a moment to imagine to live where you really want to live. Take a moment to imagine to drive whatever you really want to drive and wherever you really want to go. Imagine traveling to whatever destination you want to go with whoever you want to go. Imagine doing all that you visualize to do. Choose a number of how much money you want to make every month. Be very specific. See that number on that check or that number on that bank statement as a credit. That figure is very clearly written. Feel the joy that you are having by receiving all that money that you want and then exchanging for everything that you want. Now take a moment to repeat these affirmations with me. Abundance follows easily and effortlessly to me. I am that strength. I'm so grateful for the money that is following in my life. I'm successful and I love my abundance life. I radiate the love and joy. I'm confident and I choose to succeed in every area of my life. I love to follow my passion and money follows into my life. I'm a money magnet. I love money and money loves me. I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I'm financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance. I admire and model rich and successful people. I'm generous giver and an excellent receiver. I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now. My capacity to earn, hold, and grow money expands day by day. Now take a moment to simply being grateful for all the abundance flowing into your life. Be inward and feel more and more grateful. Now, once again, let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Notice the things that you're grateful for. Now, once again, observe your breath, noticing it very closely. Observe the rise and the fall of your stomach, in and out, as you breathe in and breathe out. Now become aware of all the noises in your environment around you. Watch and notice any noises in your environment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body. Notice any sensations in your body. Take your attention to your feet, to your legs, your stomach, your chest, your face, your head, your whole body. Now thank yourself to give yourself this time to do something helping you for your life. I encourage you to practice this meditation every day for the next 40 days and see the magic that happens in your life. Remember, what you visualize, you actualize, and you realize. I would now like to invite you to give your thoughts below in the comment section, to write something, how this short abundance meditation make you feel. Thank you for participating. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.